Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So today also we got a very good profit in Bank Nifty. Though the day was very range bound, but our indicator exactly gave the signal and we got the entry and perfectly all our targets hit. So before I continue, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also join our Telegram group called MST School of Trading for further updates. Also, please recommend our YouTube channel and indicator to all your friends, trading friends, so that they will not lose in the market. Their capital will be saved and they will get some profit from the market. And before you put your real money, please consult with your financial advisor. We are not forcing anyone to take any trade. We are just educating the people on Indian market. Okay, coming back to our strategy. We all know about our strategy. Once again, I will be explaining you the strategy. So what is our strategy is, it's very simple. So consider there are 4 lines, right? There are 4 lines and each line is telling something to us. What it is telling? So consider this is our 4 lines. So the top first line is our sell, will be our first sell entry. I will just make it bold. So this will be our first sell entry. Then this part will be our first buy entry. Clear? This will be our first buy entry. And next thing, the bottom second line will be our SL. And also it is our second sell entry. Why? If SL hit, we have to go for the second sell entry. So I will make it red. Clear? Similarly, the top second line will be our second buy entry, and also it is the SL for the first sell entry. It is the SL for the first sell entry. Clear? So now whichever comes first we have to trade, other side we have to ignore. So now say market has opened here. So either market has to be in the same range, or it has to go upside, or it has to come downside, right? So what we will be doing, if market comes first to buy entry, we will be buying with this as the SL and we will keep the target as the target. So here we can enable the targets. Okay. So here we can enable the first buy targets and that will be our entry, target, everything. I will explain you. So next one, suppose if market goes to sell entry first and sell activated, then we have to wait for the target with the SL. If market suppose say sell activated here, instead of coming down and it is going and hitting our stop loss. So here we will be taking double lot, minimum 1 lot we will be taking for the first target, so that our loss will be recovered on the same day. Similarly here, if market is coming down and we are getting the entry, instead of giving the target, if it is coming down and hitting our stop loss, so here we will be taking the double lot, at least minimum 1 lot to recover our loss. This is the concept. I have been explaining this concept in almost in all the videos before I proceed about the performance of the day. Okay. Today also I have explained to you. So now what you have to do, now I will enable the indicator. So this is our indicator. So it will be showing our first buy entry, first sell entry, second buy entry and second sell entry. Everything will be showing. The market is over now. I am showing you what happened in the market today. See now, market has opened here almost nearby our first buy entry, but first buy is not activated. Then it went up, exactly our sell got activated. See the high made was 38,400 and our sell entry was 38,000. I will make it closer to you. uh, the high made, the sell entry was 38,397 and the high made was 38,400. So exactly our sell entry got activated. So now what you have to do, since sell activated, we have to remove the first buy, we have to enable the first sell targets, we have to enable the SL and reverse entry targets. That's all. So now let us see what had happened in the market today. It is loading. So we have almost overloaded the indicator with many features. So it might take some time to get loaded depending on your internet speed. So now what happened, I have shown in the features, because features only we can see the exact number. So in spot means when it comes nearby, we have to take at current market price. So features means we can place the advanced pending orders. That is why I have taken the features. So exactly sell entry got activated. Immediately our first target hit, second target hit, third target also hit. So all the three targets have been achieved. And if I enable the fourth target, and this will be my fourth target, so that also achieved. Okay. So all the four targets have been achieved successfully. So if you are a small trader and booking aiming for the first target only, your target is achieved immediately. Only 80 points will be a stop loss, 80 points will be your target. Or if you want, you can extend 100 point stop loss, 100 point target, or 80 point stop loss, 100 point target, 80 point stop loss, 160 point target, depending on your risk appetite, right? But our indicator has given the signal for sell, and exactly all the targets have been achieved. So now let me show you the crude oil, because we have been trading in crude oil and bank nifty and natural gas also. So in crude oil, what happened? So what I will do, once again I will give a reset option. Then I will enable the candle. I will enable the candle. Okay. So this is our crude oil chart. Again, same 4-line concept, right? What had happened here? Market has opened here. I will make it a little bold. Market has opened here. Our entry is first buy entry 5836 and sell entry 5890. So this high made 5886, 4 point we missed. Here also we missed by 4 points. So here also 4 point difference. Here also 4 points difference. Then here we got the exact entry. See the high. The high was 5890, and look at here. What is our sell entry? It is also same number 5890. So exactly 5890 we got the sell entry. So since sell activated, what you have to do? That day we should not go for the buy entry. So enable the first sell targets, enable second buy and second buy targets. Why second buy targets? If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. We should be ready for that. Okay. We are not telling always you will get a profit. There are many days will come where your SL will be hit. Okay. But overall you will get a profit. So here sell activated, immediately in the next candle or in the same candle itself your target hit. See the close price is the 71. Low was 71 for this same candle. So all the targets have been achieved. It's very simple. So if you want to extend the target, then you can go here. So I have given tiny SL, tiny targets. You can extend to small targets. So small targets, all targets have been achieved. If you want, you can convert to normal targets also. So in normal targets, 2 targets have been achieved. Normal means 1:3. So in 1:3 range, risk ratio reward, we got the 2 targets perfectly achieved. So the market may come till 5752. Till 5752, market can come down. Okay, this is in case of crude oil. Now I will show you for the natural gas. Where is the natural gas? Here is the natural gas. So now for natural gas, what you have to do? Again, we have to reset. Since it is trading less than 500, we have to change to normal SL, normal targets. Okay, what had happened in the morning? First, buy got activated, so we should remove the sell. So first buy targets, first sell remove, second buy remove, and second sell targets we have to add. So here you see carefully what happened. Buy activated and immediately your target hit. That's all. Your trading over for the day. So if you are trading in 3 lots, what you will be doing? You will be booking the first lot at the first target and you will revise your stop loss to cost to cost. So here our stop loss, revised stop loss hit, our trading got over. And also we are telling this is the zone. Okay, this is the zone. If you know a little bit of price action knowledge, then you can see any confirmation candle. I have explained about the R3C pattern. Okay, in this zone, if you find any R3C pattern, see here we have got the rejection of candle and followed by one confirmation bullish candle. So mark the high and low. So now high broken and see the high. So this also you can do. So anyway, if you are trading blindly as per our indicator, your target hit, no loss that day. Okay, we got the profit. And you can apply the price action also in the same levels. Also you will get the profit. So this is in case of natural gas. What else you want me to show? I will show you silver also. So in silver what happened? In silver what happened? I will come here. I will enable, I will reset to default settings. I will reset to default settings. So now what happened? Sell only got activated here. Okay. So now what I will do? I will enable first sell targets. I will remove the first buy. Also I will remove the second sell. I will enable the second buy. See here I am ready. If it is not giving the targets, if it is hitting SL, I will go for the reverse entry. I am ready with whatever market gives. I am ready. So now what happened? Exactly sell activated, and my target hit here. That's all. My trade got over. I don't want to worry where the market will go and all. If you are trading in 3 lots, you will be revising a stop loss to cost. Okay. So again sell activated, first target done. It almost second target hit here. So again it went up and it has hit the stop loss, and we missed this target by some few points. So here this is the indication that we should not go for the sell. So there are all the possibilities we have explained. Okay, so this is in case of silver. Let me show you nickel also. The same indicator is performing in all the script. Okay, that is the beauty of our indicator. So I'm making default settings. See here, buy activated and target hit. I will enable the first buy targets. So almost two targets hit, and here it has taken exact resistance. So nickel also target hit. Then next one, I will close this. I will show you zinc. Only for a few example I am showing, right? If I want to show you everything, then everything will be giving you targets, right? So it will take you 1 day minimum to show some few scripts. So once again I will show you. I am not changing any settings. I am resetting to default settings. So you see yourself what has happened. Buy activated, SL still safe, and it has given the exact to big target. Till sell entry it has given the target. Again sell activated, then targets hit. But as per strategy, for small traders, if buy activated, no sell. If sell activated, no buy. For aggressive trader, you can trade both side. Okay, so buy to sell to buy, done. So this is in case of silver. So I want to show you some stocks also. So what stocks I can show you? I can show you ACC. So these are the few stocks we are trading. Bajaj also I can show you. So in ACC what happened? It is loading. Okay. In ACC, sell activated. See what is the entry? Exactly sell activated and all three targets have been achieved. See the accuracy. So single indicator will be useful for all the markets. I can show you gold also. Gold also same thing has happened. See here in gold, it has taken support here, then sell activated, still SL safe, and target is almost done. Target is almost done. Only 8 points is missed. For targets, 8 points is missed, and still SL safe, and we are in good profit. So a single indicator which will be rocking in all the markets. So please try to understand the strategy of the indicator. It is very simple. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We will be clarifying you, and we are giving you this now at lifetime free. So lifetime free for the cost of only 25,000 rupees. And we are having only one authorized number. This is the authorized number. Okay, 9500009154. So if you want to subscribe to indicator, you have to call only on this number. Don't believe any other contact numbers. See here. See the fall. We are in a cell from 5890. We are in cell only 5790. Just now I said there is a possibility of coming 5752 and the low made 5775. So I will enable the big target now. Normal target I will enable. See here, from the exact entry we got the entry, and it is coming. It will come and touch our 5752 for sure. So it is having very good load. The volume also very big. So we have given an option to show the volume candle here. See the volume. So volume is very high. This volume is very high. It has broken, low also has broken. Now it is coming down. So thank you viewers for watching our videos. And this week we have given the offer 50% discount for the advanced option training course. So whoever has subscribed to indicator, they will be getting this offer. Also they will get the features, the many features what we include in this indicator also, you will get it for free when you are joining for the advanced option trading course. So thank you all. If you have not subscribed to indicator and YouTube channel, please subscribe. For further details, please contact us on this number 9500009154. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.